Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by connecting the phone to your computer and enabling USB debugging. This lets you access internal storage safely. You should verify the device is recognized via ADB or the OS Device Manager, and install OEM drivers if not detected. Once done, make a quick physical check. Battery above 20% and no automatic lock or encryption prompts. You want the phone responsive and visible to tools, so you can run commands or imaging utilities immediately without interruptions. Now create an image of internal memory to avoid working on live data. Use ADB shell and DD to dump relevant partitions, or employ professional imaging tools that support raw block copies. Save the output to a large external drive. While imaging, monitor transfer rates and avoid interruptions. A resumed image is risky. After the copy finishes, generate checksums like SHA-256 to ensure the image is identical to the source, because integrity lets you analyze safely without altering the original device. With a verified image, run recovery tools against the file system image rather than the device. This preserves evidence and prevents further writes. Use carve methods to recover deleted files and inspect app databases, caches, and media folders for user data, and export recovered items to a separate workspace. If tools report missing data or errors, recheck the checksum and try an alternate imaging method or a different tool. Troubleshooting the image itself is the most common cause of failed recoveries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.